Hi there guys, in today's video using VinylCut, we'll be looking at your virtual mats grid and workspace alpha. Today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Software Training's website has lots of videos about how to solve specific software problems in real use cases. New videos uploaded daily. Okay, now once we're in VinylCut, in order to find our mats grid, we'll be going to the paper-like icon on the right, which is the documents properties. Then under the grid area, we've got grid lines and grid subdivisions. Now grid lines will be these main intersecting lines, and the subdivisions will be how many times those blocks are subdivided. So now we can change this. Let's say we make something like 2 for the main lines. Then every 2 inches there's a main line, you can see, horizontally and vertically. Then the subdivision, let's say we make it something like 3, then there will be 3 subdivisions within each block. You can also set this to 0, and then you'll basically just be having one big grid. And then and next up, the workspace alpha. So let's say you've got designs overlapping each other, but you want to see where they intersect, you're not sure. Then you can always go to your workspace alpha, then you set the opacity down, and then you will see on your canvas, you can start seeing the designs where they overlap. So this is quite convenient for refining designs and making sure there's no overlaps. Then you'll see there's some other options under that which you can experiment with. It's just more preview options, so you can say outlines only and so forth. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. For more videos like this, visit softwaretraining.co.za. You can easily navigate by software name, version, and select the topic you would like to watch. Use search the challenge you're facing. If you do not find the answers you're looking for, you can also submit a request here, so we can make the video for you. Till next time, cheers.